Trick or treat. And don't short me this time.
Happy Halloween. Here you go.
That's it? You kidding me? Helmet. Swear mode. Next house better have... Trick or treat! Ha ha! Came to the door, no mask on me. Stronger than lock, I'm the master key. Bars in the bucket like candy sweet. Hustle loyalty, respect on repeat. Happy Halloween! Can you fucking see me now? Yeah! What the fuck is Group 7? Tell me now. Figures. I'm taking this guy instead. Happy Halloween. Can you see me now, fuckers?
Nah, we can't.